I decided to make another video because the other time there was this cloud forming in my camera. So take two. So this is my face after I've washed it. I've only put on toner but nothing else yet. So I'm gonna put this. This is the ageLOC True Face Essence Ultra. Normally I just call it my pearls because it does look like pearls. So for today we're gonna use one. It should be enough for the face, but you can use two if you like to put it on your neck and such. So get the pearl, rip the top open, and then empty the contents onto your skin. Alright. The reason why I love it is because it's so easy to use. And then it's like getting your serum for the face to lift it up, to sculpt it. You can do that. So while I have it on both sides, I'm gonna show you lang the difference if I just work on one side. So para siyang magic na you just pull up your skin and then it follows. So you can use your fingers to stroke upward and outward to sculpt it. See? So parang with just a few strokes, you can see that you have that ability to pull up the skin. So using it every day helps to firm up the skin. Para siyang instant lift and sculpting, but without the needles. So the longer you do this, hanggat basa yung serum, the better. So you see the difference. Parang sumusunod yung skin mo upward. So let's work on the other side. Work on the other side. So sumusunod din siya, right? So just continue working on that. So that's basically your serum. But for the top layer, I would put on some moisturizer. And what I prefer to use in the morning because it's super light, super fast, and it has humectants. This is like a dupe for MAC. If you're saving or if you're trying to save money, you're looking for a primer that works just as well and maybe even better. It's a dupe for MAC, the primer. This is Napka Moisture Mist. It's a conditioning spray that you can use for your skin, also for your hair if you have somewhat straight hair pero may tikwas or like may totyang or parang buhaghag, you can use this. And it's packed with natural moisturizing ingredients like NAPCA, hyaluronic acid, and urea. So it's an oil-free formula. So it's perfect for people who have oily skin. But even if you have dry skin like me, what I do is I spray it often like before I leave the car, before I go out of the house, before I sleep at night, especially on those moments when I just feel like a little more, like my skin is a little more tight than it should be. It fights the drying effects of the environment, especially when you're out in the sun. There's so much dust, and then marami siyang gamit. Like most people actually use it. There's a lot of moms who love it because they spray it on their kids na amoy araw para mawala yung amoy araw. If you've been to a restaurant or may nagluto, tapos parang kumapit sa damit mo, you spray it and then okay na siya, nawawala yung amoy. Or if you have a perfume that you want to last longer, what you do is you spray on the perfume on your skin, or you dab it on your skin and then spray a little bit of the Napka Moisture Mist over it para mas matagal yung effects niya. So it's non-drying. It actually, what's really nice about it is that its main ingredient is actually aloe vera. It's an aloe vera spray. So meron din siyang butylene glycol, glycerine, 'di ba? Sodium PCA, mga humectants which are naturally found in plants, and it helps the plants keep its moisture inside. So ganun din tayo on our skin. Humectants actually do so much good. So I'm gonna spray it lang, just a light layer, and then you wait for it to dry. Now, if you've been using makeup and then you wanted to have a little bit of more, if you wanted your makeup to last longer, you can actually spray that napka. So I'm gonna open a new tube of the Sunlight Solar Sunscreen Mineral Face Cream Sunscreen. Ulit. Sunlight Solar Screen Mineral Face Sunscreen. Yeah. So it's SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus, 4 pluses, which means it's the highest form of protection that you can get. Not only does it fight UVA, UVB, but also UVC. All right. So it's a new packet tube. So mayroon pa siyang seal here. So I'm just gonna rip that open. Ayun yung seal. Yeah. Okay. Let's remove that. And then, kakasalita ko, tuyo na rin yung napka, yung spray mist that I put. So, we're gonna put some on my face. Ay, may hikaw na pala ako. I go through these tubes really fast kasi I wear it every day. And I make sure that I cover not just the face, but also the ears, the neck. Yeah. So just like any sunscreen, you can apply it like that. But what makes this really nice is that it's water resistant for 80 minutes. Yeah. So I'm gonna read to you then the label. Have your fun in the sun in the safe way. Super important. The fragrance-free mineral sunscreen was developed for all skin types and to absorb quickly. It provides light hydration, antioxidants, so it's also anti-aging, right? And UV protection. Smooth it on, relax, and enjoy the day. Okay, the ingredients are ito. You might have heard of this, but zinc oxide is really important in your sunscreen. So, zinc oxide, dimethicone, butylene glycol, o yan. Dimethicone, meron din, yan. So, meron siyang tocopherol acetate. That's a version of vitamin E. That's why it says it's also moisturizing and good for your skin. It's an antioxidant for your skin. And what else? I can't read through it. Yeah. So, yun. Fragrance-free. It's easy to apply. Medyo patuyo na nga siya. So, mabilis lang siya like that. Because I wear this and ang taas na ng SPF niya, I don't like to wear makeup anymore. Parang in a way, nakatipid ako. So, pagdating sa life, ang priorities ko ay skincare first, makeup second, or maybe makeup last. I think. Because pagdating sa makeup, very simple lang yung akin. I just have a few shades of blush na I use, some lip color, and I don't even wear mascara or brow gel or anything like that. So, super tipid actually. When you come to think of it, ang budget ko talaga for makeup is just really lipstick and blush. That's it. I don't wear or buy foundation anymore. But unless na ng super special day, like I need to have that look for the entire day. But pretty much for day to day, I just don't. So, this is also my sunblock. Unfortunately, you can't buy it here in the Philippines. So, in-order ko pa to sa Australia. So, this is also from Nu Skin, but similar to this is Sunrite. This is also Sunrite, but it's only available in Australia. Sunrite Sunscreen Lotion SPF 50+, Face and Body Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's 4 hours water resistance. UVA and UVB, broad spectrum. Okay? So, it's a very high kind of protection ng sunscreen. But it didn't mention UVC. Unlike this, kasi yung pluses nito ay 4, ito 1. Okay, so this is more intended when you're outdoors. Hindi siya yung the type of sunscreen that you use for UVC, which is exposure to light fixtures and then exposure to your gadgets or TV, mga ganyan. So, I put some amount here and then just lather it on. Careful lang because I think any product naman kapag dumikit sa damit, not nice. So, just make sure that your clothes, it doesn't stick there. Avoid it. When you're using sunscreen, make sure that you apply it at least 15 minutes before you go out. Para na-absorb na rin ng skin mo. But actually, since this is a dry touch formula, it's very, very quick to dry. So this entire tube is 150 ml. It's safe for water. Yeah. Some kasi are not safe for the environment, but this, kind of nice. So, I've been using this makeup. This is glossier. And the name of the product is Cloud Paint. So, it's a seamless cheek color. And the color is Storm. Okay? I think this is my shade talaga. Kasi when I put it on the other day, parang I was so happy with it. But, let me see. So, like what I said, hindi ako mahilig sa makeup. Hindi rin ako magaling mag-apply. So, let's see if I can do this right. I just put on maybe a few drops, like a small amount in my skin. Let's see if I'm doing this right. I mean, if you're seeing this and you're watching and reading, or maybe like, help your tita out. Kasi I don't know how to. Baka may tips kayo. Some people, I think they use some version of a brush. But I don't. Because hindi ko naman siya nagagamit all the time. I mean, I'm the type of person na who buys brushes all the time. Tapos hindi ko rin nagagamit. So, tinatapon ko din. So, weird, diba? So, tinigilan ko na lang din bumili. Yeah? Meron na ba? Parang konti, no? So, I know it's for the cheeks, but I like it so much. I'm gonna put some here. It was my sister who introduced this to me. It was my sister who introduced this to me. So, Yeah. I think that's it. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. I'm gonna go to work. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.